Ano yung mga naging dahilan? Ba't napalitan itong si Senator Chis Escudero?
Well, nagkaroon ng mentality or thinking yung aming mga kasama. Nag-umpisa rin sa apat eh. Si Pia, Lauren, Migs, Ping and Risa. Nag-umpisa sa kanila. Nung nag-meeting kami, sabi nga, ang feeling nila is nagiging under fire masyado yung leadership. And when it's happening that way, the problem is the Senate is in the fray. Nasa gitna ng line of fire. So baka itong chance natin, sabi nga nila na ayusin natin ang leadership. Baka pwedeng yung original natin gusto mangyari noong July, baka ngayon natin magawa, sabi. So we started talking to the other members of the Senate. At siguro yan ang trigger eh. Merong allegation against our Senate President then, Senator Chis. And then there were allegations against 2 or 3 of our members na it turns out na on a Monday na we sprang the 15 signatures to the Senate President. That particular day, kinabukasan, binabaril yung dalawang member namin, si Senator Jinggoy at saka si Senator Joel sa House of Representatives. Imagine the impact on the Senate if we did not change leadership Monday. Tuesday, the top 3 officials of the Senate will be under fire. The Senate President, the President Pro Tem, and the Majority Leader. So, siguro, providential, it happened that way on a Monday. And yun ang siguro that would be the real casus belli, so to speak.
Okay. Pero specific dito kay then Senate President Chis Escudero, how big an issue po ba yung pagtanggap niya ng 30 million campaign donation from a government contractor na isa po sa mga iniimbestigahan supposed din ng Blue Ribbon Committee, si Lawrence Lubiano? Malaking factor po ba yan, yung controversy na yan?
Well, I think he answered it well, no? Pero it's a factor doon sa mga pinag-usapan namin ng grupo. Yun nga, as I said, under fire ang leadership. I think the COMELEC already sent them a show cause order. So mas maganda na mas maganda mabigyan ng chance si Chis at saka yung mga kasama namin. They will be able to address these allegations without the burden on their shoulders of the leadership of the Senate.
Opo. Tapos before that, di ba, ang issue sa kanya, yung magkano ba yun? 142 billion. Di ba? Tama ba?
Insertion supposed to be in the 2025 budget. That was what was being bruited about. Not only in the social media, but also in the mainstream media. Siguro.
So malaking factor din po ba yan?
Naisip din ng karamihan sa amin yun na baka nga, teka muna, pwedeng magpahinga muna si Chis at harapin niya yung mga yan. At kami naman, we can provide the leadership necessary to make sure that the Senate is a working cog in our quest to help the country get up from its economic situation. Diba? Yung ating mga flood control issues. Not only that, the main budget is the main issue. Yan yung flood control at saka yung mga ghost projects na yan. It's merely a fraction of the entire budget of government, which we should be very careful with.